Hey guys, what's up? It is Sean here, bringing you guys in our SWR video. In today's video, we'll be going over the upcoming first U.S. winter storm that will be taking place along over the next few days, and also at the upcoming pattern switch that should be taking place in the East Coast. So without further ado, let's get started by looking at what to expect with this winter storm. So this should take place relatively in the west. It shouldn't go too far east. And we can see as we move this along, by October 25th, Wednesday, October 25th, we can see we do have snow start to form in Montana and North Dakota. And then this storm moves south and then moves east into North Dakota and parts of South Dakota. And then we do have the secondary storm that forms that then gets all of South Dakota and then parts of Minnesota. So again, this will be happening over the course from the 24th to about the 30th. So this is a double whammy snowstorm, as I like to call it, because it's 2 rounds of snow for different regions, but it's all connected to one storm. So looking at the snowfall totals that should be coming with this, we can see pretty intense snowfall totals. We can see upwards of 20 inches for that region. So here we are with the 25th. It starts, and by the 27th it should be out of the Montana region, and by the 28th it should be out into Canada. But then here's that double whammy part that it's saying will drop upwards of 10 inches in some regions, with the widespread place of 3+ inches. So that'll be interesting to watch to see how it all shakes out. Looking at the Canadian model, it is kind of not doing the snowfall as well. It has more of the snow up north. Actually, it just has the storm being delayed a little bit. And it has more snowfall for some of these regions. With 22 inches here, 18 inches here. So this will be interesting to watch. Again, this is gonna start the the evening of the 24th and then go into the 25th. So now we're going to look at the upcoming pattern change that will be taking place. I just got to change all my things. So here comes that Arctic blast into the west area where that snow will be, with widespread temperatures way into the 20s, and it keeps on going. And then the East Coast warms up, drastically warms up. But how long will it stay for exactly? Well, as we can see, this cold air sticks in the west until about Halloween, and then it spreads more eastward and kind of like shoves out all the warm air in the East Coast, and then the warm air really doesn't make a reappearance until about Saturday, November 4th, which is when it starts creeping back into the Central Plains and also the parts of the East, but then it gets swallowed out again by the cold air. This is all because it's becoming November, so pattern switches for the colder are going to be coming in. There might be a few warmer stretches in there of 3 to 4 days, but overall it should be very colder compared to October. So again, moving this along, we can see warm air here in the south, and then it just gets flushed out by that cold air. So the snowfall totals will be more precise tomorrow when we go over the video, as that will be 24 hours before. Although they are pretty locked in for today, they haven't really changed much between the models and between the model times and runs. So I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and share this video to get this news out to everybody who might need it. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, everyone.